Welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to see how we can actually build a simple web page of this format. You are going to have some headings and some paragraph, just like an article, which you can actually create for your users to actually read. We have several paragraphs here, so this is going to give us a practical knowledge of what HTML paragraph tag is. So how do you actually do the paragraph tag? The paragraph tag is indicated with the character P. So, which means that once we put our less than sign, we put in P, then in lowercase, sorry, make sure your tags are in lowercase because they are actually case sensitive. So you have P, you have the greater than sign, then you are going to, in between here, you're going to put your content and then you close your tag. Every HTML tag has opening and closing except for a very few of them. So the paragraph tag, you put in the opening tag, you put in your content here, and you can actually close the tag again. So I'm going to just copy the content here, which I want to use in that particular paragraph, and just paste it in. So this is the particular content we have. So this is how you have your paragraph. So we're going to save this, then open it on our browser and see what it's actually going to give us. So if you look at our browser now, you can discover that we have a paragraph here now. We have our main heading, which is what is front-end web development. We have a paragraph giving us some intro about it. Then if you want another paragraph again, we can actually bring in the paragraph tag again. Then I'm going to paste in another text inside there. So we have another paragraph here. Then if we save this, we also have this on our screen. So you can see the second paragraph on our screen. Then just like we saw in the opening video, we want to try and replicate that particular format. So which means that we're going to have another heading here. We're going to have a sub heading here, which is going to be we're going to be using H2. So the heading is going to be, is front end web development easy? Then I think we can just put this in the same line since the content is not that too much. Then we have another paragraph here. I'm just going to put a dummy text. So I've structured the paragraph. Then I can also have another subheading again, just to show you how you can actually nest and nest using the heading tag combined with the paragraph tags. So we have another H3 heading. Then I'm going to put in another paragraph at the bottom. We have the H1, what is front-end web development? We have a paragraph here. We have another paragraph here again. Then we have another subheading, which is an H2 heading, which says is front-end web development easy. Then we have another paragraph. We have another heading again. We have another paragraph. So I'm going to save this and we'll switch over to our browser and see the output. So you can see that we have exactly the same thing on our screen. One is front-end web development as the main heading. We have two paragraphs. We have a subheading, we have a paragraph, we have another subheading and a paragraph again. So with this, you see that creating a paragraph in your document is very easy.